don't know why this guy's following him. And Ali right now is cheating death. Hopefully he's cheating it. Because if he doesn't win, I don't know. That was pretty weak. Come on! Looks like he's stuck. Like I said, these cars weren't built for conditions like these. Alright, he's doing a 1-1. Whoa, alright. That. Wow, okay. Crazy ass motherfucker. There we are. Pick it up, pick it up. Ah. Not as glamorous. Pick it up. All right. And are experienced. We know our limits. They don't.